I wanted to tell you a little bit about a case. This was a shoplifting case. It was a person who was still a teenager, 18 years old. The client came to us. He told us he wanted to accept responsibility for what he had done. He just wanted us to help him through the process. There was so much remorse in this client for what they had done, and it was genuine. They had never been in trouble before. What they had done was basically a theft case. Low stakes. It wasn't a big deal. And it was the very first thing that would ever appear on the record. Typically, with the nicer judges, we can almost count on getting what's called a probation before judgment. But there's three main dispositions in court. You can be found guilty, you can be found not guilty, or you can get a probation before judgment. Probation before judgment involves you telling the judge that you're guilty. You accept responsibility, but the judge does you the favor of not entering it as a conviction. You're still punished. You're still going to pay a fine. You could even go to jail in some cases. At the end of the day, if you're asked if you've ever been convicted of a crime and that's the only thing you've ever done, if you got the probation before judgment, you can legitimately say no. So that's what we were shooting for in this case from the beginning. We get to court, we've got this tough judge. What defense attorneys will do during sentencing is they will tell the judge about all the research that exists that shows the male brain is not fully developed until you're 28, 29 years old. When you're 18, 19 years old, you're still doing some pretty dumb things. So we brought that up with the judge. We did end up getting the probation before judgment for this client. I mean, the judge said it. He said, your lawyer is fully correct. Your brain isn't fully developed at this stage. You've got another chance. He was genuinely sorry for what he had done. Probably more sorry for what he had done to his mom and his grandfather who raised him than he was sorry for himself. And that really came through in court. I'm Mike Stark. I'm at Jezic and Moyse. If you're looking for a criminal defense attorney, come visit us.